Okay, fam, I'm at Dollar General. I'm doing it 5 off 25. This is what I'm getting. I got this Gain fabric softener. It's $4.50. I got a dollar off coupon. I got this Gain fabric softener. It's $7.50. I got a $2 off coupon. I got this Febreze with Gain. It's $3.25. I got a $2.30 off coupon. I got this Gain liquid detergent. It's $5.50, I believe. Yeah, $5.50. I have a $1.50 off coupon, and I got this Gain Pods Flings. It's $4.50, and I have a dollar off coupon. So all of this total up to $25.25. And what I'm gonna do is I have a 5 off 20 Gain, plus I got a 5 off 25 DG. So my total should be about $8, I want to say, after all my digitals come off. So we are going to see. I see that clearance section is really neat. They got a lot of last chance over here on their clearance. Okay. What's this? Suave. They ain't got no sticker, no price on it though. They just got the orange clearance. Oh no, there's some lock gel. I'm gonna have to scan that in the app and see how much it is. Some of it got the price on here. Well, this is the first time I ever seen Dollar General clearance aisle looking halfway neat. Because usually it be totally destroyed. So they must got new management over here. Well, bravo, because she doing a good job. Oh, they got their Easter stuff up. How much these Easter basket? $9. Ooh, y'all see that? It said EBT eligible. So if y'all get EBT, come on over here, go to Dollar General, and get them kids Easter basket. Y'all see it? EBT eligible. So that is really, really good. That's good. That's the first time I ever seen that. Where you can buy a basket with EBT. That's a lot of stuff they got over here. Okay, Dollar General. I see you. I see you. I see you. Y'all are doing it up now. But this stuff usually be a mess. But it ain't. Since they got new management, she doing a good job trying to get it straight. Oh, that is pretty right here. That is cute. They ain't got no price on there. $3 for that one. That is pretty. Dollar General got some stuff over here that you can decorate your house with. This little stand. I'm trying to overtalk this music they got blasting in here. Because I don't want no darn copyright strike. Look at these little bowls right here for $1. You get 4 bowls for $1. That's cute. They got these little cups too. Be strong, be brave, be caffeinated. Ain't that something for $1? That's cute. They got them in different colors too. Alright, let me head to checkout, fam. I'll tell you my total when I get in the car. Okay, fam. I made it out of Dollar General. And as you can see, my total was $5 more than what it's supposed to be. I know that some of the Dollar Generals had stopped letting you double dip on the 5 off 20 Gain and the 5 off 25. And in Alabama, we were still double dipping, but I guess they done made it to Alabama. So now it's just letting you get the 5 off 25. So that made my total $5 more because my other $5 didn't come off. Because what I was calculating with that extra $5 coming off of there, my total would have been $10.48. So now I know it had made it down here in Alabama. You can't double dip. So, but that's still a good deal, $15. Yeah, $15. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Turn your notification bell on so you'll know when I upload another video. And I got to go in this Cost Plus and get me some potatoes because I'm going to barbecue today. I want me some barbecue chicken with tater salad. Yes. And it's a beautiful day out here in Alabama.